Come on. Are you coming, Naula? Come on. Where'd they go? Get him. Good boy. What a smart doggy. Pee right on the grass. You're a very smart dog. Whatever grass there is. Go get her. Bring him, Usch. Bring the pups, Usch. Are you going to pee too? He's going to poop. What a smart doggy. Look, evidence. He knows how to poop outside. Now, if we get Matilda to figure it out, we're in game. Hey, fight. See, I'm a brave doggy. Let's go chase Uschi. Come on. Away, Usch. Get your stick. Let Uschi have her stick. Come on, Usch. Let's go. Come on. You're going to have to rescue the stick from the puppy. I can't help you with that. Come on, Usch. Away. God, she is so intimidated. Come on. Come on, baby. You're not going to hurt him. Come on. Let's have some mud. It's yummy mud. Oh, you found a stick. You're a brave stick doggy. Come on, bring him in, Usch. In. Bring him in. You're going to bonk one of them right on the head with that thing. Come on, Usch, in. Leave the fox alone. Come on, in. We'll take the shortcut. In. Hodgins. In. Come on, Sloan. Let's go. In, Usch, in. Let's go in. Hodgins. Yeah. Let's finish the show proper. Come on. Matilda. They're going to look for the fox. We're going to go in and have snacks, right?